Hello and welcome to another episode of Dine In. Today I'm making garlic and herb roasted potatoes. This simple oven-baked side dish is extremely versatile in pairing with just about any entree you can think of. The ingredients are also easily adaptable to fit different genres more appropriately. So far, I have about 5 medium-sized red-skinned potatoes cut into 1-inch cubes, and as you can see, I also decided to add a bunch of carrots in the mix. I often do this as an effortless way of expanding a meal. Carrots take roughly the same amount of time to bake as potatoes, so it really doesn't feel like any extra effort at all. It's also not a bad idea to sneak in a healthy veg anywhere you can. To season, I'm using 1 medium onion cut into 1-inch cubes, 3 cloves of garlic roughly chopped, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, a tablespoon of dry parsley, and about a tablespoon of olive oil. The onion and garlic bring the majority of flavor to this recipe. Keeping the pieces fairly large will help protect them from burning and creating unwanted bitterness. Once thoroughly mixed, transfer the contents to a half-sheet baking pan and spread out everything evenly. The more you can spread it out, the faster everything will cook. These red-skinned potatoes are particularly good for roasting because they have a firm bite. Leaving the skin on adds a bit of texture as well as color for presentation. Potatoes can often seem like a bland, boring side, so take any opportunity to make it more interesting. Also, I recently started using this silicone baking liner, and I must say it works amazingly well. Absolutely nothing sticks to it. Transfer the tray to the center of a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. If you're using foil to line the pan, I'd recommend dislodging everything with a spatula as soon as possible out of the oven, otherwise the potatoes will stick once they cool. And there we have it, a healthy, flavorful batch of crispy roasted potatoes and carrots. I encourage you to try out different herbs and spices with this technique. Potatoes are amazing at accepting a wide range of flavors, so it's really difficult to get it wrong. Until the next time, have a good night and keep safe.